Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter in Project Zomboid. Start by collecting milk in a jar, then choose an electric mixer or a glass jar to shake by hand. Sterilize your container and pour in milk, leaving room for expansion. Shake or run the mixer until solids separate, strain whey, press out excess liquid, and chill the butter to firm it up for storage. Gathering the right tools makes butter fast and satisfying in Project Zomboid. An electric mixer cuts time, but a glass jar gives authentic immersion. Sterilize containers with boiling water, then pour the milk and secure the lid tightly. Shake steadily or run the mixer while listening for the change in sound. Once you notice clumps, strain through a cloth, press gently to remove whey, and form the butter into a pat. Proper storage preserves your homemade butter and keeps survivors fed longer. After pressing and shaping, wrap the butter in wax paper or put it in an airtight container, then refrigerate. Use it to fry meat and vegetables for higher calorie yields or keep it as a valuable trade item. Always label with the in-game date so you can rotate stock and avoid surprises when.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.